guys, it's Kendra. So it is Sunday and Kelsey and I are on our way to the Atlanta Botanical Garden. I think that's what it's called. It's basically a bunch of Christmas lights and it's a very festive thing to do this time of year. So we've never been. I don't know how many years they've had it, but this is our first time going and I've always wanted to go to this. Every time I see it on Instagram, I think we saw like a commercial. Yeah, I saw a commercial like last year and I was like, well, I want to go to that because Kelsey and I love looking at Christmas lights. When we were little, my grandma's neighborhood, like back in the day, they used to do it up with the Christmas lights. Like I'm telling you, like the whole block used to be lit, literally. And a lot of those people in those houses, they're older now and you know, they don't do as much for Christmas. And obviously Kelsey and I don't live in Montgomery anymore, so we just figured this would be something festive to do. Sometimes we'll drive around our own neighborhood just to be like nosy and see what people have up. Do y'all do that? Like just to see what people have up and drive around like other nice neighborhoods to see like their Christmas lights and stuff. I just think it's fun to do during the holidays. So we're gonna go do that. I don't know how far it is though. And I don't even know who's driving. Whoever has more gas is probably driving. Yeah. It's not freezing outside. This coat is not like super thick, but it is from Zara, obviously. So this coat is from Zara. And I promise this isn't the same outfit I had on last week in last week's vlog. This is actually a cotton like turtleneck t-shirt and it's more cropped. The last one I had on last week was more, it was ribbed and it was more like a sweater. So this is the plain like cotton t-shirt, like kind of turtleneck situation. My necklaces, this one is from, that I've been wearing, this thicker one is from Amazon actually. And then this cross is from XIXI, is Adrienne Bailon's jewelry line. So I love this. I wear it all the time. And my jeans are not the same jeans I had on last time. These are actually jeggings. So these are from Zara as well, but these are jeggings. So I was not wearing this outfit last week, guys. Even if I was, it's black, so you probably can't tell the difference. But I have so many black clothes that I have an array of options, so everything is different to me. And then these are the shoes that I'm wearing. These are my Tims. I haven't worn these black Tims in so long, but they're really comfortable and I thought they went with my outfit, so black and gray it is. Okay guys, so we are waiting to park and there's so many cars here. I did not expect it to be this many cars here, but it is a Sunday and like people were off today, so maybe I should have expected it. Okay, light, hello. So hopefully it's not as many people as what, the people behind you?
It's right in my mirror.
I hate when people do that.
That's so rude.
Already so pretty though. We can already kind of see some of the lights.
I hope I don't get lost.
They give you a map, I think, because I saw a map when I printed the tickets out on my email.
Okay.
So they have a map so you won't get lost.
Okay, because you know I will.
You with me, so you're not gonna get lost.
Gotcha.
That's facts, okay?
Gotcha.
I will never steer you wrong, my dear. Oh, look at the purple.
Oh, I love the purple.
I'm sure you do.
Oh, look at the pink ones too.
Pretty. Oh, I'm getting excited. I feel like a 10-year-old me looking at Christmas lights.
This one, this was made for adults, I think, who still love the lights and stuff.
Think so? But kids too will enjoy this.
You would assume it's made for kids, but you'd be surprised at how many adults are out here. Not for their kids.
That's very true. Because we ain't got no kids with us. right guys, we're leaving. It was so pretty, but I'm hungry. It was a restaurant in there, but they were about to get ready to close, so we're just gonna get something on the way home. Yeah. Well, damn. Hi guys, so it is Monday, and today Kendra and I are just gonna be running a couple of errands. Sorry if this lighting is gloomy, by the way. It's very gloomy outside, so I had to turn the tree on kind of early today, but I mean, I don't mind. But yeah, I'm gonna make my homemade chicken noodle soup. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. When I posted it on my Insta story like a month ago, I think, a lot of people were asking me, Kelsey, what is this recipe? I got it off Pinterest. Actually, I get most of my recipes off Pinterest. They're just really easy to follow on there. So I'll just show y'all how I make it, and you guys can follow along if you guys want to make it for your family, because it makes a lot and it lasts me and Kendra at least a week, and it's so good. It actually tastes better as the days go on because it's like marinated and not like all the seasonings and stuff. So I'm gonna make it today. So I'm gonna get my ingredients from Trader Joe's because it's cheaper there. Because if I go to Whole Foods and try to get all the ingredients, it's gonna be way more. And plus Trader Joe's has this little pre-cut like celery, carrots, and I think it's onions in there. I can't remember, but they're already pre-cut, so that saves me a ton of time because that's like the bulk of the soup other than the broth and stuff like that. I'll show y'all what I get when I go to the store, but I'm about to go take this makeup off because I had to do a post today, an Instagram post, and I don't feel like having makeup on for the rest of the day. I don't want to be out with makeup on, and plus, I don't know, I just like to let my skin breathe as much as possible, so I'm about to go take this off. Okay guys, so I'm just having some yogurt and I'm waiting on Kendra because I was gonna go to Trader Joe's by myself, but Kendra has to go too, so we're just gonna go together. But right now she's at her chiropractor appointment, so I'm just gonna wait on her. But if she takes too long, I'm leaving her. I know that might sound kind of mean, but it gets dark so fast now that I feel like by the time I'm done doing stuff around the house and I'm ready to leave, it's dark outside. We probably should have went earlier, but I was like starting laundry and stuff, and y'all know I do laundry like once a month, so it's usually a lot. If she's not here by the time I'm done eating this yogurt, then I'm leaving. By the way, this is the yogurt I'm having. This is the Trader Joe's cultured coconut milk blueberry yogurt. By the way, if you see me like glistening under this light, I have on vitamin C, and it leaves me very like shiny looking. I finally got more of my course vitamin C. I got it because I hadn't had it in a while. I get mine off Sephora. It's bomb. Oh, she's back. I just heard the garage. She's back. This is the mix, guys. This is the mix. This is the chicken stock I'm getting. I'm getting one of this and then one of these. And I'm gonna mix them and then add water. Both of these nasty. Make your own soup at home. No, don't do the brown ones because they're gonna taste kind of weird. Just do regular, like, noodles. Pasta noodles. These are exactly what I need. Yep, I'm gonna do these. Okay guys, so I'm making this soup in a crock pot because the recipe is crock pot chicken noodle soup. So this does take longer than like if you were to do this on the stove, but I prefer to do it in a crock pot because when things cook slower, the flavors are better, and you can just leave it and don't worry about it for a few hours. So this takes approximately 6 hours and 20 minutes. So that might sound kind of long, but it all depends on how big your chicken is, your chicken breast, and mine are pretty thick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 3 of those in there at the bottom. Actually, I'm not gonna talk through this whole thing because y'all can see what I'm doing, and I'll just put captions, but I just wanted to mention that it's gonna depend on how thick your chicken is on how long you cook it. But I'm doing 6 hours because these are pretty thick chicken breasts.
Okay guys, it's been like 5 hours now. I have folded a load of laundry, I worked out, and I showered. Now I'm just gonna take the chicken breast out and shred them, and then put the shredded chicken back in there with the noodles, and then let it cook for like another 20 minutes because this chicken is pretty much done. So I didn't even have to do a full 6 hours. And then put them on a plate. See, if they're already falling apart, then that's how you know they're pretty much done. So while that finishes cooking, I'm just going to watch This Christmas for like the 3rd time this year, but I'm probably gonna watch it for like another 5 times. Kendra says I watch this way too much every year, but I can't help it. It's like my top 3 favorite Christmas movies, along with The Preacher's Wife. I consider that a Christmas movie, and Home Alone, Lost in New York. So that's my top 3. Hey guys, it's Kendra. So today is Wednesday. I was about to say Thursday. Kelsey and I just got done filming a video. Well, for today's Wednesday video, we filmed it. We usually don't film, edit, and upload anymore because it's just way too stressful, but we had to. We filmed a deep conditioners video. I feel like we haven't done a hair related video in a while. It was our top 5 for this winter, like top 5 deep conditioners. It'll obviously be up before this vlog goes up, but we were gonna film it yesterday, but I had a dentist appointment yesterday because I had to get a crown on my upper right tooth because it was cracked. Why I need to know like exactly what tooth? You don't need to know, but it was very painful, and it has been giving me a lot of discomfort lately, and I didn't realize it was cracked until I went to go get a cleaning. Like, I think, what's this month? It's December? Last month, November. We got our usual cleaning that we always get, and I kept telling them I had pains in that tooth. And if y'all don't know, I actually hate going to the dentist. Like, I would rather go to the gynecologist. That's how much I hate the dentist. Like, I just hate the scraping and the sound of the drills, and just like, I don't know. It just gives me anxiety. I just hate going to the dentist. I had to get a crown up there, so I was just way too tired yesterday, and we went Christmas shopping yesterday after, so I was walking around with like a lopsided like lip over here because I was numb for a few hours, so I couldn't eat anything, so I was kind of miserable yesterday. But I still wanted to go Christmas shopping with Kelsey to get it done and out of the way, because I like having it done ahead of time, because I just hate waiting to the last minute, even though this was kind of the last minute, like in my opinion. I think it was because usually we have our Christmas shopping done like the 2nd week in December, not the 3rd. Next week is Christmas, which is insane to me. So I don't like doing things at the last minute. It just makes me stressed out, and I just like to have things done proactively. I just like to be ahead of the game. I just like to just relax around this time when it comes to like Christmas festivities, and just, you know, not have to think about Christmas shopping. And my mouth is feeling much better today. I was hoping I would feel better today to film, because I was miserable yesterday. Like, I think I had like 1.5 meals. That's how much I didn't want to like chew anything. I have to go back and get like the permanent one. This is an impression, I think that's what it's called. I don't know the correct term, so I have to go back in like a month to get the permanent one, but that's not going to take nearly as long as what they did yesterday, because yesterday I was just, it was miserable. So I'm glad that's done and out of the way. I should probably be more careful with what I'm eating too, because at first I thought I had a cavity, because every time I would eat over there it just kept hurting, and when I would drink something cold it was extra painful. So it was the whole time that tooth was cracked, like right down the middle, like I saw the picture last month at the dentist. So take care of your teeth, people. so Kendra and I are about to get ready to go to dinner and get some drinks with Tori. We pretty much grew up with Tori. We went to her wedding, if you guys remember her. So we're gonna go get some drinks. We're going to Oak Steakhouse. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this really cute blazer from Zara. By the way, excuse my hair, I just went with the messy waves. But this blazer is from Zara. Actually, this whole outfit is from Zara, except these jeans. I'm pretty sure these jeans are from Topshop. But yeah, everything else, the turtleneck and the blazer is from Zara, as well as these boots. These knee-high boots are really cute. They're from Zara as well. So yeah, these are super cute and they're pretty comfortable as well. So I got them on sale during Black Friday, and I think I'm gonna bring my coat because this turtleneck is kind of thin, and it's freezing outside. So, because at first I was like, oh, I don't have to wear a coat until I went outside. And it's pretty cold. Had a productive day. We got our gifts wrapped. I feel like I have to relearn to wrap gifts like every year. So I was a little rusty, but we got it done.